So how to discuss about Android 12 features, right? So Android 12 features. So in this now, first one, like here also there are few features only. Like first one is the wallpaper based dynamic theme. So whatever the theme, like so whatever the image we set as a wallpaper, based on that other theme will be adjusted automatically. So that's why it is saying that wallpaper based dynamic theme. So that is the first one it is. Then after that, game dashboard, like who are playing the games and who wants to upload the game there into YouTube, are they how to live YouTube live, Facebook live. So for them, this dashboard, game dashboard is flexible. So that by using that, they can able to do such kind of operations. So that is the one thing here is. Next is the one-handed mode. One-handed mode means like here previously there are the three buttons. Now with the one button, like easily can handle that all the things with single click by clicking the right, left, at one mode. This we can say has the gesture animation, gesture effects. So that will be available in the settings. So once you can based on enable that, we can do this. Next is the quick tap. So the quick tap feature is already previously it was available on Android 14. So Android, it was available on Android 14. Similar feature here, that is like even in a lock also, if you click the screen automatically, that it will open one specific menu that we can set in our settings. So based on that, it will work that. Next is the direct share. So direct share in the recent apps, like whatever we sent, I want to send one document, just we sent one video through WhatsApp. So it automatically prefer that this menu should be like all the shareable options that should come on a first to send that. So that is the one advantage here. This next is the privacy dashboard. So here we can see that in a privacy dashboard and which app we have given the permission, like what are the apps we have given the permission. So what are the permissions, like location permission, contacts permission. So what are the permissions we given and which app we given, so that we can able to see this. Next is the dim the screen. So this dim the screen is like it is a extra thing, like last time we seen that night mode, right? So when you do the dim the screen, like let us say my sleeping time could be 11. So that 11 it goes to the extra dim, so that extra dim color will be, which that time it will consume very less battery. Next is the conversation widget. So the conversation widget is nothing but here, like it is we can like in WhatsApp, this is already previous version we seen that, for that some of the modifications is happened. So like we can create one conversation tab, like one single person or with an group, so that all the group related conversation will be done on there itself. Next is the scrolling screenshot, like I want to take a screenshot, but that screen shot should be more, that is more than our screen size. So previously it was not, but now by scrolling screenshot option is available, so that you can take the screenshot by scrolling that, so that it will come entire screen. Like here also we can scroll and we can check that entire this. So that is the one advantage here, this that is right. So these all are the features in Android 12. So next we'll go with the Android 13. So in this Android 13 also there are similar, like in between of this 5 to 10 features only. So that first one in this is the first they concentrated on a UI side. So UI changes, like attract user, that is the new design elements, animations, and visual improvements. So to attract the user, so such kind of things will be added here. Then next is the performance enhancements. So performance enhancements, such is like improve the make more smoothly, so that improve the system completely. The system performance has increased that. Next is the security updates. So these security updates is nothing but here like uh, these all are the enhance of the overall security features from the operating system side. So that it includes means it includes that is the security framework, encryption, protection against the malwares like any other antiviruses and all will come. So the against that protections and all added in this. Next is the battery optimization. So as much as possible, the battery optimization is going in a lot of version, lot of I mean from 7, 6 onwards. Everything, everywhere that they are concentrating on the battery here to improve the battery life efficiency, allowing devices to last longer on a single charge. So like they done lot of things update to that single charge, it will be updated. That is one. Next year this new features, some of the new features and APIs. So some of the new APIs which as introduced. So these APIs could be like developers can enhance their features by using that. Developers can do on the next level, so that optimization has done here. This next is the privacy controls. So previously we seen that privacy dashboard and like similar here it is done privacy controls, so that user can means user can give the more control on the data and permissions. So like we can give that data as well as the permissions. We can give that permission. Like in WhatsApp also nowadays it is there like a hide chat, right? Hidden chat. So like that it could be here. This is next is the connectivity improvements. So connectivity improvements. So previously when you want to connect with us connectivities like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, it is taking the time, but now it will connect quickly. So that is the one advantage here. This. Next is the system-wide dark mode. So system-wide dark mode, like previously the dark mode is available, but it was only specific that, but now the system-wise, entire system-wise, you can check this visibility and that system-wise dark mode, it should be selectable. So these all are in Android 13 features. Right, next last version. So that is the Android 14 features. So in this Android 14, so then there are around 8 or 9 features are there, like we will write. So then is the first one is the native webcam. So native webcam. So what is this native webcam support? So let us say like webcams, normally the webcams cannot be clear, so that they usually offer like normal webcams will offer like 720 pixels, or even sometimes it is a less, right? So for that here there is a in this version there is a one good feature, that is this looks like a better webcam, because mobiles will have the high resolution, right? So with this feature, like you can make your phone has with minimum 1080 camera on your computer. So that consider this scenario like means how to enable, like when you want to enable a webcam, so connect your phone into the system with USB cable. So there you can enable the webcam. So that respective system. So the respective system related webcam app you have to install and you can enable that. So instead of the webcam enabling in the system, it will be enabled here. Then. So that the you will get a clarity of that. So that is the one advantage here. This. Next is the enhance lock screen. So the lock related features has enhanced in Android 14, that is like customize your variety of face, like screen lock, your can be like in a different scenarios like finger pattern, pin, lock. So like that means at a time you can enable multiple. So that is done here. This. Next is the satellite. So satellite connectivity. So here what happens here now, when I entered into one of the dark zone. Dark zone means where there is no GPS signal. So where there is no GPS signal, normally what happens, your mobile will goes to the off, like someone has tried that you cannot get that right. So on that location also, like normally outside the GPS devices is now working on that satellite. So sometimes if it is won't get the satellite with it will connect with the satellite, so that from there it will give a latitude longitude, so that in case if you have in a such scenario, like someone can track you, that by using the satellite connectivity also they can track you that. So that is one advantage for this. Next is the charging pills. So charging pill, that is like so this is in this the beta version has released in this. The charging pill is like the charging pill animated with wallpaper. So that means in even while charging also, whatever the animated images and all, if you want, you can put that. Next is the drag and drop. See, like now I want to share one document. Let us say I want to share this document. So normally we can do this like drag and drop, right? So the drag and drop previously it was not available. Now even here also, like in WhatsApp, I want to share one document. So I open the gallery in off screen, split screen by split screen. From there I can select, I can drop into this. That is the one advantage. This next is the flash notifications. So the flash notifications is nothing but here. This is the like you want to alert user more like with blinking that. So this the normally the target will frequently check their phones, right? They will nice instead of nice. So then I want to some kind of flash camera alert like that, automatically it will give that. So that kind of things instead of sound normal with splash, just light will blink and goes. So that kind of feature also we can enable that in a mobile itself. Next, this is the main for the end user. So that is the manufacturer date. So as of now, it is not displaying any manufacturer date. Like even though we don't know when that mobile has manufactured, like that history could not be here. But here we can able to check that history could be here. Like we can enhance that feature. This. Next is the again the battery related. So that is battery, extreme battery saver. So extreme battery saver option. So again, this is advanced, one more advanced for that in settings, in battery settings, the battery saver is available, extra extreme battery saver, so that it will compared to the previous, it will consume very less. Next is the fast fare. So in a previous version also we've seen that connectivity improvements. So here also the same, the connectivity compared to there, it will connect very quickly compared to that. And the next is the grant partial permissions. So previously, like I want gallery permission, right? We can give the complete gallery permission will goes. Here now in a gallery, I want to give that only specific one partial folder permission also, that we can give that. So that is previously it was not there. Now we can do that here. This. Next is the background install. The background install control, like some of the applications normally sometimes when we click one application, backgroundly some of the other applications will be installing, right? So such kind of any applications which is installing without our information, automatically it will skip, it will avoid that application, and it can show that update to the user, these are the applications as installing, do you want to install, like that it will ask the user permission, right? That is the one. Next is the regional preference. So let us say till today I'm in India. Today, maybe after 1 week, I'm going to the other location, that is USA, UK somewhere. So there, that time, even I'm there also. In my calendar, I want based on India time, I want my schedule everything. So that regional preference you can able to enable that. So that is one advantage here. This. Next is the different languages for different apps. So user can enable for the different languages for different different apps. So we can enable the different, like as of now, we cannot enable different languages for different application, right? So now we can enable the different languages for the different applications, so that it can be possible here now. Then next, healthcare. So easily we can connect with the healthcare apps like the watch, or like we can connect to the watch, and whatever the operations is done on that, automatically it can trigger here, right? So that kind of things we can able to do here. This, so that is the main advantage. Like this, with this we have done with the complete Android features, right? So till hope still this it is clear for everyone, or I have any questions? So Murugan, Shivangi, hope it is clear for till this everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have we done installation?
Yeah, Android Studio I have installed it.
Okay. So then both you are installed. So then we can go on to the next level on that, right? I think Shivangi, you are already installed Android Studio.
Yes, sir. I have already
Yeah.
installed it.
So then just now we'll see like how to create a project. Then in next class we'll start the programmatical session. So just I'm opening my Android Studio.
Sir, even if we have less student, you will continue the class, right, sir? Or we will wait for other?
Yeah, we will continue. Just normally see every day normally it will start 7, maximum 7:05, that will start. Like sometimes maybe if some people will not come, I'll wait for that. If any important topic is there, just I'll wait for a few minutes. But normally it will start sharply. Like means as I told now, once that exact batch has confirmed, we will spend exactly the 1 hour session. Mostly from Monday, we'll have the full sessions, 1 hour sessions.
Okay.
So this is the first Saturday, right? So tomorrow we don't have the class. Maybe there is a chance of some people will come from Monday. That's why that too we are going to start the programmatical session, and that's why just today I'll give this introduction of this studio related. Then again we'll continue on Monday. Morgan, what is your background? You are currently searching for job, or you are already doing the job?
Yeah, I'm working as a tester, sir, automation tester
Okay.
for
On
both
Cellular.
right. No, Expresso and Expresso with Kotlin,
Mhm.
CUI with iOS. So I just want to learn development.
Okay. So both are a little bit aware of knowledge on the programming session. So that in case if that case, quickly we can go, like it will help for us to do the easiest way. Who are coming as a complete fresher. So for that time, the small things also sometimes they cannot understand. That time that will consume more time. But for us, it will be one advantage in this batch. You are from which location?
Pondicherry.
Okay. Shivang, you are from which location?
I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
Oh. So normally when we install the Android Studio, it will come like this. Maybe you have the same version or older version, you can check. So my version is that is a folder, like whatever you have version, do not to update that. You can continue on that. Maybe there is a small differences will be there. Like no need to worry about them, because if you have any project dependencies, again it will affect your projects. So that's why you can continue whatever version you have. So my version is now this K. So from here, once it is done, so I'm clicking on a new project. So once I click on new project here, so like before going to that, here now I'll create one separate folder for our class here. So on a desktop, just directly will go to the desktop. Okay, here I'll create one new folder with today's date. September 27. So now here, new project. So empty base activity. So here, first of all, I'm changing the path. So once you change the path, automatically it will be continue in the next project, right? Now this is our first application. So I'm giving the first app. So normally, preferable thing is this first app. Capital letter of this. There is no exact rule, but preferable is like you can use that. And after that, the package name will be created. So normally the package name will be created. Package name means it should be, like a package is nothing but it should be the combination, like the combine of some of the classes, like where we can store multiple classes in a single folder, that we can say has the package. So package means always the name should be in a small letters, and at least it should require two minimum two identifiers, two separations, two words. So but normally com will be common. When you install first time new Android Studio, that will come example here as that is the example, but that example will change it something like that. Here I have changed it something Android Indian. This is my website. I have changed it like this. Then after that, the first app, the whatever the name we will give, that will come here. Then after that, it is a saving location. Then here we have two options, Java and Kotlin. So whichever you want, like our course is Kotlin, right? So default selection will be Kotlin. And here it is defining, see here. Last time, yesterday you asked for that. So here it is defining the minimum version. From this minimum version, currently, what is the SDK which is installed in your system? So the target will be set at that. So that what happens, the from this version to this version, the target will be. Here, this is a Kotlin rated files because Kotlin project, so the recommended files can be downloaded automatically. So no need to change this right now. Once you click on the finish, so once we click on the finish, the project will be created. But when you create a first project, it will take a huge time on your system, like at least 3 to 4 minutes. It will take the time. Sometimes it will take more than 5 minutes also. For the first projects, you need to wait. Even though if you are doing regularly also, sometimes when you create new projects, sometimes it will take more time because maybe there is some update, something it will be there. So that time it will take more time. So no need to worry about that. Just you need to wait because the dependency gradles will be downloaded. So that time many Gradle updates and there. So that time it will take more time that. Right now it is doing here. Just to see, still it is means once the project will be created here, two things will be opened. One is the XML and other is the Kotlin file. So once the both files are opened properly, then your Android project has created successfully. That we have checked that. Wait, it is opening still.
Sir, can we customize the package name while project creation or after creating the project? Can we change the package name?
Yes, we can do. See that I told now, like defaultly when you create an Android Studio installation, right? That time it will come as a example, com.example. Your project name it will come. That time instead of that, there also you can change, and even afterwards here also you can change that. Here also I can change. I'll show you that also. No worry.
Okay.
Because see what happens. Sometimes like recently we have uploaded one app into the Play Store. So because of lot of securities, that is one time the project has like rejected. So then what we did again, we have that project is important for the client. We have to upload that. So to upload that, yes, just I'll show you that in the Play Store also. See here. So this is suspended by Google, but same app we want to upload. Like that time we modify a little bit logo, and here see. This is the package name. Package name also we modified it, we uploaded. So like that we have to, sometimes it will be, we have to do that we will come. So here, see that also now, if you want, I'll show you now. It's like here, this is the right here now, right click here, refactor. Still the project is loading. Wait, here is the rename, right? By clicking the here rename, we can able that just a minute. Once this indexing is done, then we can able to do here. So meanwhile, so once this is created here, like see now it will be clear. So this is the one UI will be created with the basic. Then the basic code will be generated on this XML. Even though here also the UI as well as the code will be generated this with the hello world text, it will be created here this. Right, I'll show you one query. So refactor rename. So it will ask that in current module all directories. You can go with all directories because everywhere it will be changed. Otherwise, after that, while building the app and all, you will get some issues. So all directories. So the means first initial things till whatever we given, right, that we cannot change, but remaining things we can change. So here first I'm changing that instead of complete to I'm first, so that you can change. See, everywhere it is updated like simply, but come the first two words we cannot. Last one, what is the project name will come, right? Until that only we can change after creation of the project. Right, see this is the initial creation, like here again in Murugan, here in build.gradle, here we can able to see that what is the compilation version. So 34 means this is the Android 14. So that will be the maximum version. Here it will be supporting. So, and what is the Kotlin version that we can able to see at this. Right, this
Sir,
is the yeah.
Here, even after changing the package name, the application ID and namespace is like same previous package name.
Yeah, here it is not. See here, it was changed here. So now after that, manually we have to do here as well. here this in this particular, that's why I opened this class. So here we have to change manually, then we can sync. So once we done the sync, then only it will be set. Here only it will change here names and respective this any of these files. Here these files it will change. But we have to change in this level. In a Gradle level, we have to modify that. Right. That will be, this is the manual. In a Gradle level, it will be the manual act. It means only this Gradle. In this Gradle package name could not be there. Only this module level we have to update. Right now it will be changed. Only in two places. In manifest file, no need of anything here. In manifest file, no need. Only this here we have to change that. Right, hope it is clear. So till this, it will be okay. So from first Monday, what we will do is we will concentrate on design this by using the layout. So there are different kinds of layouts as they, right? By using the linear layout, relative layout and all. So that some of the UIs, like first of all, we'll take the introduction of the XML, how to do the design and all. So there we will modify those things, like how to design those things we will see on Monday. Right, till you have any other questions?
Sir, can you provide access to the document which you have created during session?
Yeah, that I'll share you. Like I think you have.
Actually, I got the mail, but only video links are there. No document.
Yeah. From there it will be like what I'll do is, can you please text your email IDs here? So that document from my side, document and code I'll share from my side. When you
Yes, I'm dropping my mail ID in chat.
Yeah, Morgan, you also can drop your mail ID. And give an access. Okay. In some time, I'll give you an access. I got. For both of you, I will give in some time access. Okay. That there I'll upload that what I told the document. That document I'll upload. So from there we will continue on the next step. You will receive a mail, just you can accept that invitation so that it will be continued. Okay, so then again we will meet on Monday.
Thank you.
So,